Indentation in programming. Why it matters.
Indentation is the use of spaces or tabs to organize code. It improves readability, helps programmers understand code structure, and can even affect whether code runs correctly. Different programming languages have different rules and conventions for indentation. Let's explore how Python, JavaScript, and C++ handle this important aspect of code layout.
Python indentation is required.
In Python, indentation isn't just for looks, it's required. The language uses indentation to define blocks of code such as loops, functions, and conditionals. Using the wrong level of indentation causes errors, so consistent use of either spaces or tabs is essential. The Python community recommends using 4 spaces per indent level for clarity and consistency.
JavaScript. Indentation for readability.
In JavaScript, indentation is not required for the code to run, but it is critical for readability. JavaScript relies on curly braces to group statements, but proper indentation helps programmers see the code structure at a glance. The common convention is to use 2 or 4 spaces per level, and most teams use automated formatting tools to keep things consistent.
C++, flexible but important.
The previous user chooses to include curly braces to define code blocks, so indentation doesn't affect how the code works. However, consistent indentation is a key part of writing clean, maintainable C++. Popular conventions include using 2 or 4 spaces per level, and it's important to stick to a single style throughout a project.
Key takeaways, good practices.
While each language has its own indentation rules, the main goal is always clarity and consistency. Python enforces indentation, while JavaScript and C++ make it a matter of style and readability. Choosing a consistent method, like always using spaces or tabs and the same number per level, helps teams write code that's easy to read and maintain.